Okay, so now I will talk about the features of continental glaciation. So first of all is esker, which are winding ranges of glacial sediment, and they are remnants of subglacial drainage systems. And as you can see in this farmland, these little ridges look kind of like a winding snake. So drumlins are small hills shaped like teardrops, and they are formed by glacial movement. So here's an example of the Morley Flats drumlin near Calgary, where I used to drive a lot through this to get to the Rocky Mountains. And so erratics are boulders transported by glaciers over long distances, and they indicate evidence of glacial movement during the last ice age. One of the most famous examples is the Okotoks erratic, which is also near Calgary, and I used to see this erratic quite a few times. It's quite a big one. So striations are debris carried by the glacier, and it scratches the underlying rock and leaves a series of scratch marks called striations, and they can be used to determine the direction of ice flow. So here's an activity to identify glacial features in the landscape. So this image is of Highwood Pass in Alberta, also near Calgary, where I went hiking a lot along these amazing and beautiful cirques and peaks. And so although there are no glaciers here, what features could you see that indicate evidence of past glaciation? So we can pause the video and try to identify some of them from this real-life image. So here it is. So for instance, try to find the cirque, the arête, and the horn. So I'll give yourself a few more minutes. Okay. Okay. Yeah, I will review that. So the cirque is the bowl that's kind of right here, these bowl-shaped areas. And then the arêtes are these ridges between the peaks. This one, for example, you see my cursor. And then the horn, so for example, this, the very top of the peaks. So here we go. That's the end of this section.